In this video, I will share with you 3 tips on how to sleep better. Hi, I'm Monica and I was overweight, leading a very unhealthy life, and my sleep routine used to be really bad. I'd go to bed at 2 in the morning and I still wouldn't be able to sleep, and then I'd have to get up for work 6 or 7 in the morning, so I had terrible sleep. And now I just put my head on a pillow and sleep for 7 or 8 hours straight. So here are the 3 tips on how to improve your sleep. Tip number 1. Make sure your room is dark and quiet. Put up some blackout curtains. Close the door to remove any noise. Turn off the TV. Block out as much light and as much noise as you can. You can get a pretty good blackout curtains that take out most of the lights from the street or from the moon or whatever is happening around you. Tip number 2 is to stop looking at screens 1 hour before bed. And that helped me a lot. Looking at screens keeps your brain active. And when you stop doing it, your melatonin naturally gets released and it naturally prepares your body for sleep at the right time. But if you're looking at the screen all day, so say if you're looking at the screen all day in the office and then you come home and you put your telly on and you watch it until 10, 11, 12, your sleep rhythm and cycle is ruined. So your hormones don't get released properly and your body doesn't know it's time to go to bed. You need to tell it. So an hour before bed, turn off all the screens and do something else. You can go for a walk, you can prepare for the next day, you can get all the clothes ready and put everything together, make a little plan, write your journal, write your gratitude journal. There's lots of things you can be doing at night. You can have a bath and a shower and take a little longer than you used to, just to get your body ready and in a relaxed state. You don't want to be going to bed stressed. So try to use this time for activities that make you feel more relaxed. And then tip number 3, reduce caffeine intake after 2 p.m. I've quit coffee and tea altogether and that definitely helped me. But if you can't just quit it all, and I wouldn't just go all cold turkey just straight away, just do it in the morning. You don't want caffeine to be in your body all day long. Use it to wake you up if you have to, and then eventually, hopefully, you'll be able to quit it too. And that will improve your sleep tremendously. Now, these were the 3 things that had major impact on how much better I sleep now compared to how bad I used to sleep, and I hope they will help you. If you found this video useful, check out my other videos on this channel for more helpful tips on living healthier and happier. Thanks for watching.